Hey everyone, Evish here and welcome to our channel. In this video, we are gonna unbox this. So in this video, we are gonna unbox the POCO X3. Without any delay, let's start our video. So friends, now first let's have a closer look at the box. On the top, as you can see, there is a POCO X labeling, and here you will see the Made in India tag. So now sidewards is also the POCO X3 labeling, and here there are some important specifications. So first, let's have a closer look at its specifications. It has 6.67 inch of display with 64 megapixel of camera, and it has 6 GB of RAM and 6000 mAh of battery. It has a 120 Hz display and it supports 240 Hz of touch sampling rate. It has a Type-C cable and it can record 4K videos at 30 FPS. It has a 64 megapixel of camera and it comes with a 33 watt fast charger. So friends, now let's see what is inside. So friends, as you can see, the box is full of yellowish color. First, let's keep this aside and let's see at this. As you can see, there is a SIM ejector tool, and inside there are some user guides and a plastic case for the phone, as you can see. Now let's check out more. This is the phone. For now, let's keep it aside and let's check what's more inside. So friends, this is the 33 fast charging brick. I think they gave this 33 fast charging brick because it has a huge 6000 mAh of battery, and as you can see, the brick has some orangish color inside it. And the last thing in the box is the cable. Even the cable has the orangish color inside it. And friends, this phone comes with Type-C cable. So as you can see, there is orangish in both of these. So now let's check our device. So as you can see, this is the POCO X3 device. And friends, it feels slightly heavier because it has a 215 grams. And let's remove the sticker first. And as you can see, this is the POCO X3. And what I like in this POCO X3 is its camera setup, the design and the side mounted fingerprint. So without wasting any more time, boot this phone and check. And I'll meet you after it is done. So friends, we have done our setup. So there is a lot of bloatware in it. So first you have to uninstall all those bloatwares. So you just uninstall the apps which you don't want at all. So I'll uninstall them now. So friends, now let's have a look at its structure. As you can see, here is the side mounted fingerprint. This is volume up and down button, and this is the camera. And now coming to this side, here you have a SIM card tray. This is the IR blaster. This is secondary noise cancellation microphone, and this is a stereo speaker. And friends, I forgot to say you that this phone has a stereo speaker and it also has a 120 Hz screen. So now down you have a 3.5 mm jack, here Type-C, and here you have a speaker grill. This and another noise cancellation microphone. So friends, as you can see, the fingerprint reaction is also fast. As you can see it. Let's have a look at its 120 Hz screen refresh rate. So friends, first let's have a look at the about phone. As you can see, it runs on POCO MIUI 12, Android 10, and here you can see the 6 GB RAM, and this is the 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. You can also expand the storage till 512 with a micro SD. And now let's have a look at its 120 Hz screen refresh rate. So default it comes with the 120 Hz, and here is the 60. So now I'll keep at 120 Hz because I like the 120 Hz. And friends, when you shift from the 60 Hz to 120 Hz, you'll see the difference in this phone. Like when you'll be swiping, you'll see a clean swiping, and here also you'll see a clean things. So I like the 120 Hz. So friends, as you can see the punch hole camera, this camera is of 20 megapixels. So basically what I think about this phone is, I think if you are going to buy a new mid-range phone, like if you want the phone below 20,000 rupees, I suggest you that this is the best phone under that price range, because I never saw a 120 Hz refresh rate under this price range. And friends, also you'll get the some of flagship features in this phone, like 64 megapixel camera, and you can record the 4K videos at 30 fps, which is crazy I think. So friends, now let's keep the back case and see how it looks. So this is the back case friends. As you can see, the fingerprint is quite fast. And so friends, I forgot to say you that this phone comes with Gorilla Glass 5, and it also comes with the pre-installed screen guard, which is very good. So friends, this was our unboxing review about the POCO X3. If you like our video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching this video till the end.